Good evening, children. Today I am starting another topic, types of plans. An organization has to prepare a plan before making any decision related to business operations or undertaking any project. A plan is a specific action proposed to help the organization to achieve its objectives. It is a document that outlines how goals will be achieved. Based on the use and length of planning period, plans can be classified into single-use plans and standing plans. So plans can be classified into two based on the use and length of the plan. One is single-use plan and another one is standing plan. What is single-use plan? Single-use plan, the word itself shows that it is developed for a one-time event or project. It is used for a course of action which is not likely to be repeated in future. The duration may depend upon the type of project, maybe for one day, a week, or a month. Single-use plans includes budget and programs projects such as organizing an event, seminar, conference, etc. So what is single-use plan? The plan which is used for one time, that is known as single-use plan. Example, budget and programs. Second one is standing plan. It is used for activities that occur regularly over a period of time. That means the plans which is using repeatedly is known as standing plan. It is usually developed once but is modified from time to time to meet business needs. Standing plan includes policies, procedures, methods, and rules. Based on what the plans seek to achieve, plans can be classified as objectives, strategy, policy, procedure, rule, method, budget, and program. So strategy and objectives are not classified as single-use or standing plans. First one, objectives. Objectives are the ends towards which an activity is aimed. They are the results to be achieved. Objectives are the goals, aims or purpose that the organization wishes to achieve. That means objective is the end result which the organization or the management wants to achieve. That end result is known as objective. Example, improvement in the sale of a product by 10%. So this month the firm wants to increase the sale by 10%. That is known as objective. The end result the firm wants to achieve. Second one, strategy. It is a comprehensive plan for accomplishing an organization's objectives by considering the business environment, that is changes in economic, social, political, legal environment, etc. This is known as strategy. Means it is a comprehensive plan for accomplishing an organization's objectives by considering the changing business environment. Example, discount sale, scratch coupon, gifts for customers, etc. Some of the strategies that can be adopted for increasing the sales. Policy is the guideline in decision making to various managers. It defines the limit within which decisions can be made. So policy is a general guidelines which brings uniformity in decision making for achieving predetermined objectives. Example, promotion is based on merit only. State that while taking decision on promotion, merit will be the sole criteria. So it is a guideline for the managers for decision making. Fourth one is procedure. Procedure is a chronological order or steps to be undertaken to enforce a policy. That means procedure consists of sequential steps to carry out activities within policy framework to attain predetermined objectives. Example, to implement the policy of selecting employees, the selection procedure may be developed consisting of inviting applications, test interviews, references, and then prepare the list of the selected candidates. That means a sequential steps should be followed to achieve the organizational objectives that plans comes under procedure. Fifth one, rules. Rules are the guidelines for conducting an action. They specify what should be done or not to be done in a given situation. So, rules is a specific statement that specifies clearly what is to be done and what should not be done in a given situation. Example, in your school, timing will be 8:30. You should report to school 8:30. That is known as a rule. Or if you have to come only in school uniform, that is known as rule. So it is a statement stating that you should do this way only. That is known as rule. Example, office opens at 10 a.m. Smoking is prohibited inside the office. And next one is mothers. Mothers provide detailed and specific guidance for day-to-day action. That means method is a prescribed way in which a task has to be performed considering the objective. So for achieving that objective, what all the things have to be do in a day-to-day activities, that is known as methods. Example, timed system or piece-rate system in wage payment. Most suitable method is to be adopted in the organization for better performance. That means for achieving the organization objectives, which method how to be followed, it is comes under methods. And seventh one is program. It includes all the activities necessary for achieving a given task. That means it is a detailed statement about a project which outlines the objectives, policies, procedures, rules, tasks, human and physical resources required, and the budget to implement any course of action. The minutest details are worked out within a board policy framework. That means all the tasks, all necessary activities for achieving the particular objectives, that is comes under program. Example, opening 5 new branches in different parts of the country, deputing employees for training, installing a new machine, etc. Means what all the steps have to be undertaken to achieve the common objectives of the business. Last one is budget. It is a plan which states the expected results of a given period in numerical terms. You may be heard about the railway budget, financial budget, all those things. But it is related to business. They will use production budget, sales budget, cash budget, expenditure budget. So what is budget? It is a plan which states the expected results of a given period in numerical terms. So otherwise, a budget is a statement of expected results in numerical terms for a specified time period is known as budget. So once again, what are the different types of plans? Objectives, strategy, policy, procedure, rules, methods, programs, budget. Thank you.